Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we will be showing you another tutorial video of WhatsApp verification code not receiving. So if you are having trouble while not receiving your WhatsApp verification code, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry. Today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. So we are going to try a few methods, starting from the simplest and the working your way up. So stick with me till the end, and one of these is bound to work. So let's start with the quickest fix. So if you're not receiving your verification code while trying multiple times, for that case you need to just follow the few steps. The first one is keep your phone on your airplane mode. Turn it on from your notification bar or from control center, whichever you feels easy. So wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. So what happens when we turn on our airplane mode is this resets your network connection and can fix temporary glitches. So once you turn it off, go back to WhatsApp and try it again, logging in, and you would be surprised how often this simple trick does the job sometimes. But still you are not getting the verification code, then there are the other various steps to follow. The first one is you can check if there is an update available for the respective app. For now that is WhatsApp. So open your Play Store if you are an Android user, or if you are an iOS user, you can simply visit your app store, and after visiting your app store, search the related app, that is WhatsApp. Search the app WhatsApp, and now see if there is any updates available, then simply update your app. Sometimes issues happen because you are using an outdated version of the app, so updating it ensures you have the latest of bug fixes and improvements. So if updating did not help, it's time to clear the app cache, especially on Android. So to clear the app caches on Android, you need to go to the settings and go to app or app management, and after that find WhatsApp and tap the storage and cache, then hit the clear cache. This clears your all the old data that might be causing issues. So if you are on iPhone, you can simply visit your settings. After visiting the settings, you can simply go to the option general and go to the option iPhone storage and search the related app, that is WhatsApp, and see there is the option offload app. Simply click on the option offload app and again confirm it, and now there will be the option reinstall app, and now tap on the option reinstall app and your app will be reinstalled on a device within a very few seconds or minutes. So that's how you can just do it and remove and fix all your problems that you are facing while doing your work. And then there you go, one of these methods should have helped you get your verification code in WhatsApp. So if it did, let me know in the comment section and give the video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, and then consider subscribing our channel for more. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.